Hello friend, welcome again your own channel in Mind Thunder. So today's video is very valuable and very effective for you because today I'm going to tell you Redmi handset and any because due to many comments on my comment section, so this handset, so it's known from the comments there are lots of complaints coming to locking complaints is coming. So in today's video, I will tell you unlocking tips that you can unlock your phone sitting at home without going to any service center. Just you have to follow some simple step with me and you watch this video continuously without a skip video. Then you can able to understand the whole process. As you can see, this Redmi handset now you can see bottom on the screen emergency calls option is there. So far, this is the first step. Press on it, click on it, and I am going to tell you some secret code, and this secret code is valid for August 2023. So keep watching, keep a stay with us, and keep watching without a skip this video, and you can 100% unlock your any Android, any Redmi Android phone. You can unlock. So I am going to tell you some secret code, and this secret code is maybe support in many handsets, but may not support in many handsets. So please, after completing the process, if you are not able to unlock the process, so please share your problem in my comment section. I will give you some simple tricks, and you can unlock your Android phone easily. So and this code is star has 6328456 and hash. Erase this number after this. Now you can see, and I'm going to zoom here. A star has 6325456 and has. There are before starting this process, friend. I just remember one thing. There are comments. There are so many comments is coming. There are you are applying finger lock through the back side of your phone. So there you can see clearly there are no finger lock is there. So now we are going to process for the next step. Press here call option. Please press on click on home call button and erase this number. You have to press only on 3 times. After this, after completing this process, press here a star hash 899 and the main code is hash. Now you can understand engineer mode page is activated, and you know this is technically page, and you can understand very easily. You can unlock this phone very easy method, and this engineer mode page is activated now. So I am going to tell you how to unlock. So this is the software version, and there are so many PCB number, my carrier version. There are lots of thing is there. So first only you have to check your Android version. What is your Android version? So press your 12 time because your Android version is 12. After completing this, come back from this option and go the manual test, and the last step is others option. Press the same number here as per our Android phone is my Android version is 12. Same your Android version is 654 and whatever it is, press the same. And after that you press the redirect important location, confirm here, and you can see key status is now passed right now. So after completing hold the process that our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise, let's press the home button and see whether our phone is unlocked or not. So press the home button. As you can see, my friend, our phone is unlocked without loss of any data or application. So I hope you, friend, you like this video. Then you see you in my new video. I will see you in the next video. Subscribe our channel, like and share.